Okay, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about selectors. Let's talk about selectors. I keep saying this word, selectors. So what I'm going to do is, just from that last lesson, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete this and save that page and just refresh. And we can see that it undid everything. This is a base HTML page now. Now, a selector lets us select different elements. So in here, we've got two H1 elements. We could have a div in here, it says this is a div. We could have a paragraph in here. This is a paragraph. And if you're just joining me now, the way I made that little shortcut there was I type P, and as soon as you see this Emmet abbreviation pop up, you can hit tab and it creates your opening and closing tags for you, your HTML tags. Let's go down here and let's create a bold element. Actually, let's use the proper version. Let's use strong. And this is bolded text. This is normal text. And so when I refresh the page, we're going to see we have a standard HTML page. Nothing extraordinary is happening yet. But let's say we want to target just this one div or just this one paragraph, or we wanted to target all of the H1 elements on a page. We can do this with CSS.